All right, y'all, I just thoroughly tested this projector, and I have to say, this is one of the best projectors I've tested in a long time. And I've tested maybe at least 5 or 6 of these things. This thing boasts a whopping 1,500 lumens, and it's compatible with Netflix, YouTube, a whole bunch of different apps that you can download on the store, including Disney Plus. I was so stoked to see that button on my remote control, but it actually does support it, which is very surprising. Most projectors, every single projector I've already tested, the smart projectors, they just don't have Disney Plus. It's just not compatible. So they must have a license or a deal with Disney Plus to project their content. Now, another great thing about this is that it's got great auto focusing technology. Every time you move this, it will automatically autofocus for you. It does have a feature to also auto keystone, but I found that it can be a little glitchy. So I actually prefer using the four corner keystone correction, and you kind of just set it and forget it. Especially if you're going to be mounting this on the ceiling, you just have to set it one time and you're good to go. Now, I also love the quality. The quality of the video footage is amazing, especially with 1500 lumens and 1080 native 1080p native support, and it also has 4K support input. So it can support 4K input, but natively 1080 quality. I also really like that it has many different types of picture modes that you can choose from dynamic, standard, vivid. It's got it all. It's got all kinds of other features as well as casting features. Now the app, even though it's only rated 1.9 stars in the Apple App Store, I found the app very intuitive to use, easy to use, bug-free, and you can cast anything from your phone, including audio, video, anything from your album, and also music. It can also cast as a live stream, so as you have your camera on your phone, it can also cast that as well. So I am really impressed by this. There are so many features on this that I did not think it would have. The biggest one being Disney Plus. But thank you so much for the brand for sending out this sample, and I hope you all found this helpful, and have a great day. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.